In late 2020, a mysterious 12-foot-tall monolith appeared in the vast deserts of Utah, USA, sparking a global fascination. The structure was sleek, metallic, and unmarked. No one knew how it got there, who put it up, or why it was there in such a remote area. And just as suddenly as it appeared, it vanished without a trace. This wasn't a one-time phenomenon. In the months that followed, similar monoliths started popping up in locations around the world, each one shrouded in mystery and raising countless questions. What were these monoliths? Who or what put them there? As news of the Utah monolith spread, another appeared just a week later on a hill in Romania, followed by another in California. Each monolith had similar design features: metallic, unmarked, and mysteriously appearing and disappearing within days. These sightings turned into a worldwide sensation, sparking a wave of social media posts, news coverage, and of course, conspiracy theories. With each new sighting, the mystery deepened, leaving people to wonder, was there a connection, or was this just an elaborate series of coincidences? Many speculated that these monoliths might be the work of artists looking to make a statement, or even sell copies. A collective called The Most Famous Artist actually claimed responsibility for the Utah and California monoliths, listing similar structures for sale. But not everyone believes these monoliths are just art. Some think they're elaborate pranks aimed at capturing public attention, while others feel there may be a deeper purpose behind them. Are they meant to provoke thought, create excitement, or perhaps make us wonder about the unknown? The public reaction to these monoliths was wild. People flocked to see them in person, posting selfies and videos online, fueling the mystery even further. Social media exploded with theories. Some wondered if they were left by extraterrestrials. Others thought it was part of some massive viral marketing stunt. As the monoliths continued to appear and disappear, they inspired a mix of excitement, curiosity, and even fear. It was almost like something out of a science fiction movie. To this day, the mystery of these monoliths remains unsolved. Are they modern art, a social experiment, or something else entirely? While some artists have claimed responsibility for certain monoliths, the true origins of others are still unknown. The monoliths might have come and gone, but the intrigue they sparked still lingers, reminding us of our curiosity about the unexplained. And who knows, perhaps a new monolith will appear somewhere else in the world tomorrow.